How to view your transaction history on CDPool. Are you guys facing issues to view your transaction history on CDPool application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To view your transaction history on CDPool, first of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the bottom of the screen where you can see this option for balance. Tap on balance. After you click on balance, you can see this option for mining, bonus, and history. We are looking to check your history, right? Just simply tap on history. After you click on history, your past transaction history will be shown in this section. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to view your transaction history on CityPool. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.